Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install Roblox in PC or laptop guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First open up browser. Now search for Roblox download. Press enter. Now click on the official roblox.com download. Click on the download now option and download it guys. Now you just want to click on the Roblox player launcher downloaded file. It will be started installing guys. After installation finished, you just need to open up Roblox player. Now log in your account guys. Just need to log in our account. Now you can play an infinity number of games guys and chat with other users all for free guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.